First this noontime, though, jury deliberations continuing in the Aaron Hernandez trial. The former New England Patriots player is accused in the June 2013 death of Odin Lloyd. Now, so far, the jury has been considering the case for about 11 hours now. And today, jurors had questions for the judge about the case and about a reported incident outside of the courtroom. Let's get right to Eyewitness News reporter Madeline Wright live in Fall River with the very latest in Hernandez on trial.
Once again, jury deliberations are underway here at Fall River Superior Court with a new question from the jury to the judge. But deliberations got off to a rough start this morning after a report one of the Boston TV stations covering the trial may have harassed two jurors.
Do some investigation.
Deliberations in the Aaron Hernandez murder trial started 45 minutes late today after the judge took time out to look into a complaint by two jurors that a WHDH news van was following jurors after court yesterday.
This is an extraordinarily serious matter. There is a statute published, I think it's a 10-year felony statute that prohibits any form of juror harassment.
The judge says one of the jurors noticed the suspicious activity, made a U-turn, and got behind the news van to take a cell phone picture of its license plate. Jurors reported one person in the van.
As of right now, I'm banning the driver of that from parking around this building, from using the WHDH parking spot, from having anything whatsoever to do with any assignment on this case.
The judge says depending on the jurors' reaction, they could have both been dismissed, and the case could have resulted in a mistrial. After deliberations finally began, the jury had a question for the judge on whether Hernandez's ammunition charge applies to a particular date or if it can be approximate. The judge says the charge has to apply to June 22, 2013, or close to it. Getting back to that report of harassment, the judge says she needs the driver of that van who was allegedly following two jurors to testify less than 15 minutes from now on his or her actions. And depending on the outcome of that, WHDH may or may not be banned from covering this trial. I called WHDH for comment. They said they're working on sending us a statement. Live in Fall River with the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom, Madeline Wright, Eyewitness News.
And our coverage continues on the Aaron Hernandez jury deliberations starting live at 5. You can follow up-to-the-minute Twitter updates from Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell, and as well as our live stream from the courtroom when there are any developments. You'll find it all at WPRI.com.